Hi friends, this video shows how to reset all keyboard and font settings and delete all wrong keyboard and font settings. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to general management, tap here, go down, go to reset, go down, tap on reset accessibility settings, tap here, then tap on this reset settings button. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the keyboard and font settings. That's all. Tap on this reset settings button. Enter screenlock password. Then tap on this reset button. Done. See the message. Accessibility settings reset. Done. So this way we can reset all keyboard and font settings and delete wrong keyboard and font settings. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.